In today's episode, we're still decorating for spring. So if you're interested in seeing what we're decorating, you know what to do. Stick around. So in today's episode, like I said earlier, we are decorating my breakfast nook for spring. So let me stop talking and get to work.
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you play, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. People fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa.
Here's an overview of my breakfast table decorated for spring. As you see, I added the purple and lavender in here. Nothing on this table is new. Everything on this table I already had in my stash. Oh, excuse me. As for the lavender placemats, those were my mom's. So I brought those over here to give me the extra punch I needed to get my colors done. I do have some lavender pillow covers in the chairs. Those pillow covers, of course, came from Amazon. And I really like that they're so close to the placemats. I like that. Now those wine glasses, I got those from, what is it called? At Home. I got those from that a while back. Now the little bicycle, that came from Amazon a few years back. And then this picture, it came from eBay years ago. It was a different color. I painted it white. The floral inside, I had those in my stash. They came from Amazon. The little green rabbit, they came from the Dollar Tree. The Easter eggs came from the Dollar Tree as well. And the purple napkins came from the Tablecloth Factory. The napkin rings were thrifted. The purple chargers came from Tablecloth Factory. The white plates came from the Dollar Tree. And the little decorative bowl in the center, those were thrifted. So here is my overall spring breakfast table for 2024. Let me know what you think of my spring breakfast nook tablescape down below. You know I love reading your comments, and I will catch you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.